Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair kwik-change color lens cover replacement kit SpaBrite and AquaLight Pool and Spa Light. This kwik-change color lens cover kit is designed to use with Pentair SpaBrite Pool and Spa Lights and also compatible with Pentair AquaLight Pool and Spa Lights. The lenses do not replace the SpaBrite or AquaLight lens, they snap on over the top. Available in 6 assorted colors. Features: Snap-on color lens kit. Compatible with Pentair brand SpaBrite and AquaLight light fixtures only. Kit includes magenta, purple, teal, green, red, and blue snap-on lenses. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.